guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really fun makeup look. I wanted to do like a bronze frosted makeup look. I have this eyeshadow from MAC and it's called Bronze Frost, so I thought let's do a whole makeup look inspired by this eyeshadow. So I think it came out really cute, really fun and youthful. And if you guys would like to see how I created this look and follow along, then just keep watching. For my foundation, I am going to go in with my Rimmel Better Than a Filter Multitasker. I have this in the shade Light Medium, so this is a primer, highlighter plus glow booster, and I like to just use this as a foundation sometimes as well. So we'll just start it off like that to give us a little bit of glow because we are looking a little blah today. So it's been a tough past few weeks, let's say. My cat that I had adopted 3 years ago passed away last week. It was to be expected. He was diagnosed with feline leukemia when I adopted him, and I knew that, so I knew that he only had a life expectancy of about 2.5 years, so he lived over that, which was amazing. And I remember someone in the comments writing once when I did a video when I first got him that they had also had a cat that had that and they're okay until they're not. So it was a great 3 years with him because he was healthy and he was fine, and then when he wasn't, he just it took him quickly, so that was good, but it came on rapidly, the illness, so that was sad and just kind of tiring dealing with that and some other things. But I've been on this like organization cleaning kick for the last couple weeks too, and I have just been cleaning and purging and organizing, and it has been so awesome. That is a great feeling. So kind of counterbalance the sadness with a good feeling of releasing a bunch of old stuff. Now over top of that, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Clean Invisible foundation in the shade Buff Beige, just to add a little bit more. This one is a really nice, soft, natural looking foundation as well that makes your skin look really pretty. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light Medium, and our skin is looking flawless with the combination of those two products together. Just gonna blend this out. I can't believe that it is already, we're going into the 3rd week of July. Like, summer has just flown by and I feel like I haven't even seen it. It hasn't been too crazy hot, which is fine. It's pleasant. We don't have our pool up this year, so we're not really chilling in the backyard a lot, and so I don't feel like I have a need for it to be super duper hot, but it's pleasant and sunny, so that is nice. You can get out for evening walks and doing a little bit of yard work, a little bit minimal. I need to do that. I need to do that very much as well. But for my contour, I'm going in with my Rare Beauty Liquid Contour. I absolutely adore this. I say it in every video, but this is a product that I use more regularly than any of my other products. It's just so perfect. Just gonna buff this out with my e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. I love this one too for blending out my cream face products. So how much are we loving Justin's new album Swag? I have been listening to it every day since it came out. It is so good. It has like old 90s R&B vibes to it, I feel like lightly. Like it's just so good. It's such a good, easy listening album. All right, I'm going to contour my nose with my Essence Contouring Duo Stick. I love this for contouring the nose. It's like the perfect size to do this. And I like to go a little bit higher with the contour lately, and then kind of leave the brightness more up here on the bridge of my nose, and then on the tip, but just kind of give a little bronze right over top of the tip. Top of the tip. Great for lip contour as well. I'm gonna add some of my Essence bronzing drops, Drop of Sunshine, and this is just gonna add to that bronzed frosty glow look. So just gonna pop it up on the cheekbones. Over the nose. Put it on the neck. A little bit on the forehead. And I'll go in again with my e.l.f. complexion brush. This really gives you a bronzed glow. Wow. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I have this little single eyeshadow pot from MAC. This is in the shade Bronze and Frost. So that's where I got the idea to do this makeup look. A bronze frosted look was the name of this eyeshadow. So we're going to go in just with a fluffy brush and just start in the crease. And then just buff it onto the lid as well. And it's a perfect bronzy, tan, warm look on the eye. Can go underneath the eye as well. I'm gonna go in with my Essence Blend and Line eyeshadow stick in the shade Full of Beans, and I'm just going to tight line the top and bottom waterline. I'm also going to go in and use this as a lip liner. To add the bronze to the lip, and then I'll go over it with a gloss. I am going to go in with NARS's Laguna and just add a little bit more of a shimmer bronze to the cheeks. For a little bit more highlight, I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Ambient Light in Iridescent. Just pop that right up on top of the cheeks. I made use out of my e.l.f. Microfine brow pen. I don't use it for my brows, but I do like to push on it really hard and get some product out and use it as a product for freckles. So I'm just going to add some freckles to my nose. If you push on it like that, you will get product out of it. But it's like light, so it's perfect for freckles. Not so much for brown brows, light brown brows, but works really well for freckles. I just added some mascara. This is the final look. It is super cute, super fun, and super easy to do for summertime, and you just get that bronze frosted look to the skin. I love the way that it came out, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.